Well, very good morning, everyone. This is George Bairuthi from FS Securities, giving you the market report for the 29th of November 2018. And this is a brief introduction about what happened overnight, so you are familiar and ready to trade. Well, what happened overnight in New York? Well, the Dow was more than 600 points higher, and the index was about 200 points higher before the Federal Reserve released the text of the chairman's speech. 27 of the Dow 30 companies advanced, and paced by Boeing, Caterpillar and United Health. So Dow was up 2.2% and the S&P 500 was up nearly 2%. The Nasdaq Technology Index was up by 2.5%. In Europe, the StoXX 50 Index, which comprises most major European markets, was up slightly by 0.1%. In London, the FTSE was down 0.2%, and in Germany, the DAX was down 0.1%. On our market yesterday at the closing bell, our market hardly changed, was only 3 points lower and finished at 5,753. Best performing sector was information technology, up 1.3%, followed by real estate, up 0.4%. Worst performing sector was the gold. That was actually down 1.7%, followed by metal and mining, down 1%. Best performing stock, Woolworths, was actually up by 0.6%, followed by QBE, up 0.5%. Worst performing stock was AMP, down 3%, followed by Rio, down 2.2%. And Telstra was down 1 cent to $2.94. As a matter of interest, 25% of our stocks advanced and 26% declined. In Japan, the Nikkei index yesterday was up 1%, and in China, the Shanghai index was up 1.3%. On the commodities, gold this morning at $1,228 US per ounce, up $14 US dollars from yesterday afternoon. And silver was at $14.45, that's US per ounce, up 30 cents. And West Texas crude oil at $50.55 US per barrel, down $1.05. And Rio, BHP and Rio, all depends on the iron ore price, which was down 2.8% to $70.13. The Aussie dollar this morning was a bit stronger. It clapped more than 1% over the greenback, as the greenback slumped as investors rethought the outlook of the United States interest rates. The Australian dollar was trading at 73.2 US cents and will give you 64.3 euro cents, 57 British pence and 106 New Zealand. Bitcoin this morning was trading at 4,191 US. That is actually up 194 US from this time yesterday. And that converts to approximately 5,734 Australian dollars, up nearly 250 Australian dollars. Australian shares are poised to open higher, and that's as Wall Street extended gains. One cautions comment from Jeremy Powell, that's the chair of the Federal Reserve. ASX futures were actually up 32 points at the start of trading when the market opened shortly. And that is all from us here at FS Securities. Please trade safely and wisely. And